Entrepreneurs are investing millions of dollars to create software that will allow researchers to analyze the genetic code to perform research in agriculture and medical science. Several organizations such as Inscripta are providing users a new way to design their own genetic code and make their own organisms. The company has succeeded to raise whopping $125 million before the launch of its first biomanufacturing product. Inscripta is continuously breaking all the barriers by making genetic engineering accessible to its users. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to STEAM Daily Newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribing out YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.